So guys, you can see I'm right in the car. We have reached Dharamshala and we are now headed towards our hotel. We had booked another hotel but we didn't like it. So we are going somewhere else where our driver is taking us. And I have not eaten anything. My friend also has not eaten anything. So we are now eating chips and it is around 10 o'clock. We started from Delhi at around 9:30. Yes, these are the cheap that my friend is having, stealing from me. And we started from Delhi at around 9:30 in the night, and we reached here at around 8:30, I think, 8:30 in the morning. So it's good 11 hours journey. The bus was not that good. Honestly, it was a semi-seater kind of a thing where you can't sleep. So we haven't slept at night. We are hungry and we are headed towards our hotel. But we are going to explore Dharamshala. We are going to have a lot of fun, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So if you like the vlog, do not forget to hit that like button. Also, if you are watching my channel, do not for the first time, then do not forget to subscribe because it is free. So let's get started. Guys, look at this view from my balcony of the hotel. And yeah, this is this is where we are staying. This is the view. And I really like it. Like, just look at this beautiful sarson ka khet. Such DDLJ vibes. And the rate is very affordable. It is around 800 and they are going to give us a discount of 100. So I think 700 for 2 people for one night, which is very reasonable. So guys, this is our breakfast, bread omelette and 2 coffees along with this beautiful view. So yeah, we have just like going to have, and that is our towel drying. Ignore that in the background. My friend's towel rather. And yeah, just going to chill here for some time, have the breakfast and then go out. And also these prices are very nominal and very good. Like, here and we are just taking a walk. You look at the view, that is my stupid friend right over there. And yeah, because of the view we decided to take a small walk. And this is near which place, so this is on the way to Dharamshala actually. So yeah, just stop by here, click some pictures, and there's so much quietness here. I'm the only one talking. It's beautiful. Guys, currently we are headed towards St. John's Church. This is the walk towards the church. You can see the church right over there. It's a very famous church and it is very peaceful over here. This is where one of the shootings of the song Sukoon Mila from the movie Mary Kom was shot. So it's peaceful. Let's take in some blessings and yeah, maybe click some pictures. And look at this forest, like this fine trees. Also a very like an important statue kind of a thing inside that church. Yeah, and people are clicking pictures over here also. And they are not really allowing people to enter the church right now, like because it is a Sunday and they have some holy prayers and all going on, but usually they won't allow people right now because of COVID. Guys, that is the Dalai Lama temple over there, but right now because of COVID it is closed. Sadly, we can't go in. I really wanted to go in, but we asked and they said it is closed because of COVID, but that is the main temple for Dalai Lama. So guys, as the Dalai Lama temple was closed, so I decided to come to this cute little monastery. This is called the Nechung monastery. This is not as famous as obviously the other monasteries like the Dalai Lama ones, but this is also a Tibetan colony and you can see how beautiful it looks, and it has a lot of things written in Tibetan language that I can't understand, but yeah, it has a like a feel of a different culture, and and I like it. See, this is the entry point of the Nechi monastery, but I think all the monasteries here are closed. My friend is standing right over there waiting for somebody to come, but nothing is written here. Nobody is here. I think it is closed because of COVID, and yeah, sadly this is also closed. But I really like the culture, and it's very cute and different. Guys, currently we are walking through the marketplace, and there are so many shops which are selling so many woolen clothes, lot of Tibetan like tracks, and also we are walking because we want to find a place where we can eat our lunch. So guys, currently it is lunchtime, and for lunch we have come to Jimmy's Kitchen, which is a famous cafe here, and we are going to try some pasta and also some more food. I'm very hungry as always, and after that we are going to explore the market a little bit, do some shopping, and we'll see what to do. But abhi to khana khate hain. Let's order. Guys, this is the best spot to have your lunch here in this cafe. This is our lunch, some pasta, white sauce pasta along with some garlic bread, and photography here is going on. There's full concentration, and you can see that baby over there who is also hungry for food. Guys, look at that cute puppy over there. He is also having his food along with us. Over here that is called the Dal Lake over here. Previously they used to allow boating here, but now they have stopped, and honestly this is all that you can see. Like, this entire thing is the lake, which is quite disappointing to be honest, and only thing is this pine forest over here which is adding some beauty to this. So guys, currently we are headed towards the Bhaksunag waterfall. This is the walk towards the waterfall. You have to walk till there to get up to the waterfall. And yeah, we are just walking. It's around a 1 kilometer. So guys, you can see from there.
Guys, you haven't been there.
Yes, I haven't been there. That's the reason, because you can see down there. That is the waterfall. That is the water. And for that, you need to walk till that much, which I am too lazy to do with my mask on. So, there is very little water. You should come during the rainy season to see a proper waterfall here. Disappointed. Do not visit in the month of Feb or March here. But the view is good. So guys, currently we are heading towards the Bhaksunag temple. It is the walk through like straight like this. That is the temple you can see over there. So we are going there. Let's see, it's a Shiv Mandir. So, and lots of shops on both the sides, and so many beautiful colorful greens. The Bhaksunag temple. It is a Shiv temple, as you can see, huge, and it looks so nice from over here. This is the view here. Look at this cutie baby. And people are sitting and just relaxing over there. There is no climb or hike as such, and that one over there, that is a swimming pool. Previously here you can see this one over there, that one was a hot spring. Now they have changed it to one there. So I'm planning to put my feet there and relax maybe. So guys, this is the main cricket stadium in Himachal. That is the Dharamshala cricket stadium, and it is so beautiful. It is my favorite cricket stadium. Like after Eden Gardens, this is my favorite, and this is like a dream come true for me to come here and to visit this. It means a lot to me. So guys, we have reached the War Memorial in Dharamshala, and this is the ticket counter over there. And outside that, we are just going to have some momos and chill for some time, and then enter this beautiful War Memorial. And honestly, this place is open till 7 o'clock, and it is currently around 5:30, so we have enough time to cover this place.
मैम सब वेज
सब वेज ना, ठीक है। चाय भी बनाते हैं? Guys, the best part about this war memorial is that it is a tribute to our soldiers and people of the defense, like both navy and army. And also the best part is it is so peaceful over here, especially if you come during the evening time. You can sit around here and it is extremely peaceful. Like very few people are there, and this is worth a visit. And considering how much they have done for us, if you are in Dharamshala, you should visit this war memorial. So guys, the sun is setting, you can see, and look at this view. This is the famous sunset point, and we're gonna sit over here and enjoy this view and have some tea or coffee. That's the plan for right now. So I hope you guys liked the vlog, and if you did, then comment down below. That's it for today's vlog, and I will see you guys again in my next video. Till then, bye.